thank you so much for joining me today for another video. Sorry for being a little MIA for last week, but I've been really busy and you will know why, because by now I probably have put out the announcement video that I will be moving. So hence, you know, my really bare background, and there's really not much because I'm packing my makeup away. Anyway, today I wanted to talk to you guys about a particular product line, I guess a company, that allows you to kind of customize the ingredients that go into your shampoo, conditioner. I believe they also have a cleanser and a facial cream. And I was really intrigued by this idea, so I did agree to try out some of their products for free and kind of share with you guys what my thoughts are on their products. They did allow me to try just 3 different products for free. The first one being like the face cream, and then the shampoo and conditioner. So I've been using these for at least I think 3 weeks. So I've been kind of gathering my thoughts and formulating my opinions on these products. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say about this company called Mixeasy and a couple of their products, then just keep on watching. As usual, before I jump right on ahead, I do want to introduce myself. My name is Jane, and I'm so glad that you are here. If you're here for the first time, welcome. And I do hope that you like what you see, enjoy my content, and we can be good friends. Alright, with that, we'll jump right on ahead. Alright, you guys, so I do have just like a sheet of paper with just the invoice actually, and it lists all the ingredients that I had picked on their website. So basically this company is called Mixeasy, and they allow you to pick different ingredients for your different products that are supposedly good for certain effects. So maybe like tightening of pores, or reducing redness, or like moisturizing for dry skin, or maybe ingredients that are good for oil control for people who have oily skin, etc, etc. I'll just go ahead and read off what these ingredients are in my products and what I was looking for when picking these products and what they're supposed to do for you. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and talk about the facial cream first and what steps I took to get the combination of ingredients for my facial cream. And in here, you basically get to first pick whether you have oily skin or normal combination or dry skin. And at the time when I was picking the ingredients for this facial cream, I had dry skin, so I just picked dry skin. And then in my facial cream, I also included the Echinacea extract. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The Echinacea extract minimizes pores, and I also have dragon's blood extract. It sounds a little strange, but it's supposed to give you cell renewal. There's propolis extract that is supposed to help you nourish and soften your skin. There's also gooseberry extract, and that's supposed to treat pigmentation. And I have also the black currant extract, and that is supposed to help me with anti-aging properties. So that is pretty important for me. I'm approaching past my mid-20s, so I do want to start taking anti-aging skincare seriously. So that's what the blackcurrant extract does. And finally, the parsley extract is supposed to help you fade dark spots. So I do have some sunspots due to some sun exposure, so I really did want to help with that. Over the course of the couple of weeks that I've been using this, I haven't really noticed a dramatic difference. I've probably used a total of maybe 10 or more pumps of this, you know, just over the course of a couple weeks. And so I do notice that it does nourish, but it's not like a super deep moisturization that I would look for, you know, some of my dry spots that I have. Honestly, the biggest thing that I'm a fan of this product is the scent. You get to choose, I think, out of like maybe 3 different scent choices. I picked the Sunlight Dance scent, and I don't really know how to describe it to you besides It's just kind of smelling like grape candy or some sort of like fruit candy, and it just smells really nice. Has like a little citrus element to it, but a little bit sweet, so that's why I think it's like candy smelling. I just love putting this on my face because it just smells so darn good to me, and I don't know if you guys like those kinds of scents, but I really do. So I've been really loving this, and I got the same scent for my shampoo, so I just love this scent. This is sold for $40, so it is not cheap, obviously, right? If you get to mix your ingredients, I wouldn't imagine it being that affordable. You guys do get a discount code. I think you get like $5 off. I'll leave the information down in the description box below, but if you're at all interested in trying this kind of customizable, you know, moisturizer, then I say go for it, and you can save maybe a couple bucks off of your purchase. I would say that this is a pretty decent moisturizer for like everyday usage, you know, like it's not meant for like a nighttime super deep moisturization. It's just gonna give you just good ingredients in here that have not been tested on animals. It's a very cool concept. I'm gonna have to keep using it, and I'll probably share it in future videos if I see any more dramatic differences from using this product. But reviewing it after a couple weeks of using it, I'm thinking that it's a good daily moisturizer. Light, you know, not super heavy or anything, not greasy, not seeing like super dramatic results so far. Alright, so next I'll talk about the shampoo, and for each of the 3 products that I'm going to talk to you about, I did customize what ingredients went into each product. So even if, you know, shampoo and conditioner kind of go hand in hand, I still customize like each product, like each shampoo and conditioner, to have different ingredients to give me the results that I'm looking for. So for my shampoo, it looks like I added the black currant extract again. That is actually supposed to promote hair growth, whereas, you know, adding it to the facial cream, it gave me some anti-aging properties. For a shampoo, apparently it's really good to promote hair growth. So I do want to grow my hair out a little bit. Remember when I chopped it off like in January? Yeah, I'm kind of missing my longer hair, so I'm going ahead and growing it out a little bit. Maybe I'll chop it off again, but I always like anything that promotes hair growth on my hair. Next, I have the calendula extract, and the calendula extract just basically nourishes your hair. So, you know, I have maybe drier hair, and I have recovered maybe 100% from years of dyeing it and doing perms on it, and now it's just kind of back to my normal healthy hair. But I'm still a little wary, so I like to keep, you know, any nourishment and moisture that I can give my hair, and my shampoo contains it, so I am not mad about that. Next, I have hyaluronic acid, and that's also something that's known to give you good moisturization, nourishment, hydration for your hair. And I also have the silk protein. The silk protein treats split ends, and when you're growing out your hair, the last thing you want is split ends, because that really just doesn't help your hair growth. So I did want to add that silk protein to help with any split ends that I might or might not have. Also, I added vitamin E, and that's going to give you thermal protection, which is really important because I do straighten my hair and like do my hair with heat products. Lastly, I have argan oil, and argan oil is really good to repair like frizzy or dry or damaged hair, which I don't think I have, but I know that argan oil is always used for nourishing your hair. So all things regarding this shampoo is kind of centralized in the areas of hydration, nourishment, repair, all that good jazz. I have this shampoo in the scent Sunlight Dance again, and I really do like the scent. Obviously, it smells so good. I would say that the shampoo consistency isn't really like sticky. It's kind of almost watery in a way. It's not like super duper watery, but when you pour it onto your hand, it's very easy to like move around, and it's not like those creamier, like maybe more syrupy kind of shampoos. It's not like that at all. So it kind of threw me off at the beginning, but I feel like my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel like it's being damaged at all, and I feel like it's been really good for my hair actually. This shampoo is sold for $35, so again, not a cheap shampoo to try, but if you're particular about, you know, using cruelty-free products with natural ingredients that you can control, you know, again, you'll have that discount code if you wanted to try it. All right, next let's talk about the conditioner. This is the last product out of the Mixeasy product line that I'll be talking about today. It's a little bit messy because obviously I just pulled it out of my tub, and this is just a hair conditioner that I have customized for dry hair, and this is also in the same scent, Sunlight Dance, and I love the scent. It also feels a little bit liquidy as far as conditioners go. The ingredients are the propolis extract, again, to soften my hair. There's the ginseng extract, and that helps you strengthen your hair. I think that's really important to prevent breakage. And the floral nectar, again, helps with restoration of your hair should there be any breakage or dryness in your hair. There's also jojoba oil. Jojoba oil helps with conditioning your hair, you know, making it soft and hydrated. And then there's the silk protein, which is again treating split ends. That's important for me. And then finally vitamin E, which is again thermal protection. This retails for $34, so $1 cheaper than the shampoo, but still kind of up there in price. If you buy 2 of these, that's already $70, so that's kind of expensive, you know. My final verdict on all of these products is that I kind of like the idea. I feel good about the fact that they are cruelty-free and they use good natural ingredients for your hair and your skin. That really appeals to me. The only thing that I don't really like is the price. It's a little bit expensive as far as products go. There's a lot of products out there that do pretty good things for your skin and your hair for cheaper, you know, in drugstore. I guess the whole idea is that each and every single product is customized to meet your needs, and that can't be like a fast, you know, quick and easy process. It has to be customized for your purposes, right? So I think that's why the price may be a little bit on the higher side. But with all this said, I really love the scent, and I really like how for my hair in particular, it just makes it really soft and very hydrated. So I do like the shampoo and conditioner for that. Just for the face cream though, I'm not really, I don't know, I'm not like blown away by the face cream. I feel like I haven't really seen drastic differences since I have used it. Maybe I have to use it a little longer. Maybe like a whole month would be a good trial to have me formulate a more solid opinion. But overall, these products are a cool concept, and if you guys want to try it out, again, you will be able to get a couple bucks off using the code that I have listed down below. Alright, with all of that said, I hope you guys found these products interesting and maybe my review intriguing. I just wanted to share this with you guys because this was kind of an interesting concept if you haven't heard of it before, and if you're really into customizing things, maybe you'll like it. So with all that, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support and encouragement and kind words. I really appreciate it. So with all that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!